Norovirus is a highly contagious virus that causes gastroenteritis, leading to inflammation of the stomach and intestines. It spreads through contaminated food-water surfaces and close contact with infected individuals. The virus is often contracted by consuming contaminated food or drinks and can survive on surfaces for extended periods, making hand hygiene crucial in preventing outbreaks. Once ingested, the norovirus invades the intestinal lining, leading to symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach cramps, often affecting multiple people who share food or drink. Recognizing symptoms early is vital, as those infected can spread the virus to others, especially in crowded settings like schools, cruise ships, and nursing homes. Symptoms typically appear 12 to 48 hours after exposure, and while most people recover without medical treatment, maintaining cleanliness and sanitation is crucial to keep the virus at bay. Educating the public on safe food handling practices and proper cooking methods can significantly reduce the risk of norovirus infections, especially during outbreak seasons. By implementing safe food handling practices and ensuring every family member is informed about the symptoms and prevention methods, communities can work together to combat the spread of norovirus. Research is ongoing to develop a vaccine for norovirus, while community education initiatives aim to empower individuals with knowledge about effective prevention and hygiene practices. Understanding the life cycle of norovirus helps public health officials create more effective strategies for outbreak management and prevention. Public awareness campaigns are essential, employing creative messaging and engaging visuals to encourage people to practice proper hand hygiene and reduce the risk of norovirus transmission. Educational programs targeting schools play a crucial role in teaching children effective hygiene practices early on, which can have lasting effects in reducing norovirus outbreaks in communities. Community health fairs serve as interactive platforms to distribute valuable information on norovirus prevention, allowing families to engage directly with health experts. Utilizing technology such as online quizzes and virtual consultations enables individuals to learn more about norovirus and seek timely guidance from health professionals when needed. Raising awareness in grocery stores encourages shoppers to be mindful of food safety, while cooking demonstrations provide practical skills to help prevent norovirus contamination at home. Promoting safe cooking practices at home enhances family health, while community classes teach valuable culinary skills that prioritize hygiene and prevent norovirus infections. Educational environments leverage creative activities to instill lifelong habits in children, ensuring that the next generation understands and values food safety and hygiene. Fostering good hygiene habits at school and home creates a strong foundation for children to understand the importance of preventing norovirus through everyday actions. Community gatherings encourage dialogue about health and safety, while families learn to apply preventive measures during enjoyable outdoor activities to mitigate norovirus risks. Artistic initiatives in schools inspire children to internalize healthy habits, while interactive sessions with health professionals reinforce knowledge about norovirus prevention in an enjoyable